Hey guys, it's Melanie. Welcome back to my channel. So, this is a new release of the new DIY colors. Today we're going to be using a color called Blue Iris. I'm going to give you 2 guesses on who that's named after. If you haven't seen the video for this one back here, make sure you hit that like and subscribe so you can see how I transform this old one into something cool. This is a mid-century modern piece. Some of it was in pretty bad shape, so I went ahead and I sanded here and here, and the top, this little dude here. We're gonna go ahead and get started. Blue Iris by DIY. We have a new product. It's called Old and Gray. This is a barnwood patina. And then we have our old, standard, awesome, dark and decrepit. We're gonna mix these two together and make a stain for all this stuff that we sanded. So here we are, it's at the store, it's all done. If you haven't been to my store or visited my website, don't forget, it's Windmill Vintage Designs. We are in Albuquerque, New Mexico, and my website is windmillvintagedesigns.com if you're interested in any of these products or this dresser. Thank you guys for watching. You guys are awesome, and Thank you guys for watching. You guys are awesome. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button, and I'll see you in the next video.